Do you work with older people? Are you aware of the specialised nutritional considerations for older people? Hi and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course, Nutrition in the Senior Years. This course is presented by Joel Ferrin. Joel is an accredited practicing dietitian with a background in the biomedical sciences. Joel is an expert in the area of aged care. He manages several residential senior care facilities in addition to his private practice. In this course, you will learn about the special nutritional considerations for the older person and how to minimise the risk of comorbidities and disease development, as well as the effective treatment strategies. This course is approved by the Commission on Dietetic Registration as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. There is new research in the area of nutrition for seniors, and it's important to keep relevant and learn from the best. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.